Hi, my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee, and you are viewing The How To Lady, a channel that offers information regarding a plethora of things. And I always say that because the key link is that we offer information on how we do things in hopes that showing you how we do it will provide information for you, and you can use the information regarding how we do it. So, without further ado, we're going to have an exciting one today. If you're interested, stick around. We're going to get this ball rolling. We're going to knock it out of the park. Hi, my YouTube friends. As indicated in the introduction, we are back with Chef Mike, and he is cooking up some special things in the kitchen today. He will tell you what he's going to surprise us with today. So let's go to Chef Mike and find out what's on the menu.
Good evening, sports fans. It's your man again, Chef Mike. Today, I'm going to prepare for you guys curry chicken salad. Here are my ingredients. I have 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 cup of celery, 1 cup of sweet pickle relish, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 cup of diced apples. Here I have salt and pepper mix, now once I put these things together, all of these things can be varied because of your taste. It's different from mine. All right, sports fans, we're going to start out by boiling chicken breasts. Here I have 4 chicken breasts that we're going to use. So now that my chicken is done, I am going to go ahead and start chopping and dicing and mixing this thing up. Now you can chop it up any way you want to. For me, I like doing it with the whip because it's easier for me to do that. Instead of putting it on my cutting board and chopping it up. So I'm going to add my curry powder. Salt and pepper to taste. Celery. Sweet pickle relish. Now, as I stated earlier, this recipe can vary. There are so many ways to make curry chicken salad. You can add a little bit more, you can take a little less out of it. I'm just doing it the way that I like for mine to be. Here we go. There's apples. You can use grapes, you can use walnuts, or you can use apples. And my mayonnaise. You can use a little less or you can use a little more. So I am going to mix this all up and I will be back with the finished product. All right, sports fans, it's your boy back again, and here is my finished product. Here I have pita chips that's fried, garnished with fruit, and the curry chicken salad in the middle. On the other plate, I also have pita, but this one is called a pocket pita that you can stuff. It's already cut. You just stuff it in there and you're good to go. All right, so we have pocket pita and fried pita chips here. There's two ways that you can display your curry chicken salad. And to top it off, a nice cool beverage is what I like. Thanks guys, it's been a blast.
Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.